Hey team, in this video, I want you to look for what I do when my denominators are different. This question says Miss Snyder drove 3.5 miles on Monday and 1/5 of a mile on Tuesday. How many miles did Miss Snyder drive in total? I know it's asking me for the total, and I'm supposed to be combining two different numbers. That means that I'm adding. I know that when I add fractions, I set up a T-chart. On the left side, I put my whole numbers, and on the right side, I put my fractions. I know that I'm adding 3 and 1/2 plus 1/5. I see that I cannot add these two fractions yet because they have different denominators. I need to find the least common multiple of 2 and 5 so that I can create a common denominator. I'm going to list out the multiples of 2 and 5. I see here that I have a common multiple of 10. That means that my common denominator is going to be 10. I know that when I change the denominator, I have to change the numerator by the same rate. So I need to ask myself, what did I do to 2 to get 10? I know that 2 times 5 is 10. That means that I need to multiply my numerator of 1 by 5 as well. 1 times 5 is 5. So my equivalent fraction is 5/10. When I look over here, I know that 5 times 2 is 10. If I multiplied my denominator by 2, I have to multiply my numerator by 2 as well. 1 times 2 is 2. Now I have the same denominator and I can add my fractions together. When I add my fractions together, the numerator is the only thing that changes. 5 plus 2 is 7, and I know my denominator remains as 10. Now I can go over to my whole number side. I see that I am adding 3 to nothing. So 3 plus 0 is 3. Miss Snyder drove 3 7/10 of a mile in total.